Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Nissan Leaf app. We'll start by exploring the main dashboard, which provides an instant overview of your vehicle's status. You'll learn to quickly check your battery level and estimated range. Then, we'll dive into climate control, showing you how to set your car's temperature before you even step inside. This guide will help you maximize your Leaf's convenience features. Next, let's explore the remote control functions. You can easily lock or unlock your doors from anywhere, a handy feature for busy days. We'll also cover the intelligent charging options, allowing you to schedule charging during off-peak hours to save money. Plus, finding the nearest charging point is simple with the integrated map feature. These tools make managing your Leaf effortless. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. It's a simple way to keep your Leaf smelling fantastic. You can find the link for that and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's look at vehicle health and settings. The app provides valuable insights into your driving patterns, helping you drive more efficiently. You'll also get timely reminders for service appointments, ensuring your Leaf stays in top condition. We'll show you how to tailor notifications so you only receive the alerts that matter most to you. It's all about keeping you informed and in control.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.